Oh, water's up a little bit. But we've got the new lure on. All the epoxy coat seems to be pretty good. Just got done talking to the conservation guy. Oh, so far so good. Got my new waders on. I have no clue how deep it gets. Not a fish. Not as weedless as I thought it would be. Nothing? That's surprising. Oh my, paddlefish nose. Crazy. Ugh, stinks too. Where you at? Come on. Using a tube set up as a fluke. I fish like a fluke. Ooh, that's so cute there. Alright, just had a bite. Literally saw him, so there is a fish. He was hitting kind of slow, so. I don't know what's wrong with my reel here. Stopping on me. Oh, there he is. Come on, hit it again. Got him! Oh, missed him. Almost had one. Try that again. Alright, try this again. A little bit different. Worm on, see if he'll go after it again. Got him! Alright! Finally caught something. Look, Kentucky looks like. Red eyes. Oh, he's fat. There we go. Off the homemade fluke that I have. That was fun. Thank you. Yeah, that's a good spotted bass. Alright. Alright, we caught a fish. I was hoping that would work. Look, this is a better color. Something hit that? I think something did. Usually doesn't do that. Oh, try down there again. Alright, I'm gonna try my crankbait out again. I straightened up the, or did some adjustments on it. It works pretty good now. We're definitely chasing it. Try a different couple different retrieves here too. Darn reel. Oh geez. Got one. Alright, on my new lure. Look, he's got 4 of them following him. Alright. Cool. Found them. I finally found the fish. And we'll count what they're biting on. Nice little bass. Sorry about looking at nothing. Camera's getting turned around. Get him out of here. There he goes. Wow, that was funny. They literally, I had a whole bunch of minnows just run up the side of me here as they were chasing them up. I'm gonna keep using the crankbait. Definitely fun to use a crankbait. Seems to work now. Nope. Got one. That was cool. I could probably go with topwater. Not a big one, but still fish. Don't you kick. Try this fiasco again. There we go. Well, he's been scraped up a little bit. Got a lot of kick, but it works good.